welcome to Naturaliss 1000 subscriber live stream. Alright, if you're new to my channel, right, remember like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Right, tell a friend to tell a friend, and another friend to tell a friend, and 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 a friend, friend, and then another friend. Alright, yeah. So first of all, this is my first official live stream, right? So I just want to welcome you all for tuning in, right? Just want to say a big thank you for all my subscribers. You made it possible for me to reach 1000 subscribers. I'm very grateful for that, right? Without you, this wouldn't be possible, all right? So I would like to shout out Aya's Tasty Kitchen. Big up, big up. Shout out to Aya's Tasty Kitchen, right? Osset Ad Adley Adel. Don't know if I pronounce that right. Right? Osset Adel. Big shout out. Welcome to the live stream. Big shout out. Right? Now I've been doing YouTube for a number of years now, right? And it's not an easy task, right? So, you have to just continue to put in the work, right? Especially when you're doing a 9 to 5 job and doing YouTube, right? Running a cooking channel is not easy. So I just want to say big up and thank you to all my subscribers. I'm very grateful, very honored, right? I appreciate all the great comments, appreciate the support, appreciate the love you guys have been showing me, right? And that is what is motivating me to continue to cook and continue to make cooking videos, right? So can't emphasize enough, can't say thank you enough, right? I'm not sure if I'm clear, if I'm sounding clear on the mic, right? So let me just do a small test, see as if the mic is picking up. So yeah man, can't say thank you enough. Big shout out again, all those who are watching, right? Big shout out, right? So support each other, continue to support each other, continue to comment, continue to like, continue to share the video, right? Subscribe to each other's page, support each other, and you will grow on YouTube, right? So again, thank you all for 1000 subscribers, right? Very, very happy, very pleased. The 1000 subscriber mark, still have a far way to go. I'm working on monetizing this channel very soon, but still need some more watch time, right? So watch the videos in full, continue to support my channel, continue to watch the videos in full, right? Give your support and I will in turn support you as well, right? So again, big shout out to Aya's Tasty Kitchen. Big up yourself. Shout out to you, Aya's Tasty Kitchen, right? And Oshit Idly, big shout out to you, right? Thank you for your support. Right? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Right? Thank you for supporting. Now, if you have commented on my videos and I haven't responded to your comments, right? Just give me some time and I will get around to those comments. I'll respond in the shortest possible time, right? And I'll come across to your channel, check out the channel as well, because I believe in supporting each other and growing together, right? So support each other, let's grow together, all right? As I said before, tell a friend to tell a friend, and a friend, and then another friend. All right. You know, so to all the young YouTubers out there, don't give up. Consistency is the key. All right. So be consistent. Try to post at least once per week. Try to post a video at least once per week. Right. Be consistent. Don't get discouraged. YouTube takes time. YouTube takes a lot of effort. YouTube is like a full-time job. Right? Sometimes I myself get discouraged. Right? Sometimes I don't have the time to cook, or I don't have the time to really do any filming or anything like that. You know, but sometimes when you don't have the time, you have to make time. Right? I have a 9 to 5 job, and I came in from work like about 6:30 p.m. Try to get a shower, get something to eat, and prepare for this live stream. Right. So sometimes, you know, if you want something in life, you have to make sacrifices. Right? Nothing in life comes without great sacrifices. So if you want to be successful on YouTube, you have to make a sacrifice, put in the work. Right. So again, 1,000 subscriber live stream and subscriber shout out. Right, so tune in. I will shout out your channel. Right, can't say thank you enough for the 1,000 subscriber. Right, very happy for the support. Very happy for the 1,000 subscriber. Right, can't say thank you enough. Right, didn't know I would make it to 1,000 subscriber, but I am finally here and it feels great, you know. It feels great. So, as I said before, thank you. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you for subscribing. Continue to show your support. Right? Continue to support and grow. Right? So, once you support my channel, I will in turn support your channel. And we all will grow together. Alright? So, thanks again for 1,000 subscribers. Right? This is a 1,000 subscriber live stream, my very first live stream. Right? Thank you for joining in. So far, I have 2 persons checking out my stream so far. You know, AL's Tasty Kitchen, shout out to you again. AL's Tasty Kitchen. Right? And Ocean Idly, shout out to you. You know, shout out to you, big shout out, Ocean. Big shout out, Ocean. Right? So, big up, thanks for your support. Again, come on in, I'll be here for streaming for an hour. Right? I'm setting aside 1 hour for this live stream. Right? If you just join in, leave a comment in the chat so I can shout out your channel. Tell a friend about the live stream. Tell another friend, friend, and then another friend. Right? Thanks again for 1,000 subscribers. right? Finally, after many years of YouTube, didn't know I could make it to the 1,000 subscriber mark. Now I'm finally here, right? And I'm grateful. So I want to say thank you. You know, YouTube is a great platform, right? But it can be discouraging as well, right? So take the time out to make good content, whatever niche you're in, right? Whatever channel you have, take the time out and make great content, right? Key to YouTube success is consistency and good content, right? So try to post at least once per week and give it some time, interact with other person's video, right? And grow. So this is a 1,000 subscriber live stream, Naturaliss Jamaican home cooking, right? Welcome. If you're just joining, welcome, right? Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. If you are new to this channel, if you're just watching this live stream, right? Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and a friend, and then another friend, right? Yeah, man. So again, just want to give shout out to Aya's Tasty Kitchen. Enough respect, appreciate you taking the time out to join this live stream. You know, shout out again to Oshin. You know, big respect, Oshin. Big respect. You know, appreciate you taking the time out to join the live stream. You know, enough respect, right? Again, this is 1,000 subscriber live stream, Naturaliss Jamaican home cooking. You know, appreciate the support you guys have given me. Without you, this couldn't be possible, right? Wouldn't be able to reach the 1,000 subscriber mark without you guys. So I'm very appreciative of you taking the time out to watch the videos, to subscribe, to comment, and to support, right? Very grateful, very thankful, very happy, right? I'm not really a live stream person, so this is my first live stream. You'll be seeing some more live stream occasionally, right? This is my first live stream, right? So if you want me to give you a shout out, just type a message in the comment section of this live stream so that I can see that you're here, shout you out, right? So far I have Aya's Tasty Kitchen. Big shout out again. You know, enough respect. Appreciate you joining. You know, Oshin, big up yourself. Enough respect. Appreciate the support, Oshin. Right? Thank you for joining. You know, thank you for tuning in. Right? 1,000 subscriber live stream. Naturaliss Jamaican home cooking. Yeah, man. You know, so we do it in. So I'm here taking the time out to go live with you guys. Just came in from work about an hour ago because I have a 9 to 5 job, right? Just came in from work, you know, hold a shower, you know, prepare for this live stream, right? You know, don't have a lot of persons in the stream, no, but it's okay as it's the first live stream, right? First live stream, you know. So again, if you're just joining, leave a comment in the comment section so that I can give you a shout out, right? Naturaliss Jamaican home cooking. Yeah. you know. So in the meantime, I'll be here for an hour. You know, I'm going to run this live stream for 1 hour or until the camera battery run out, right? So if the camera battery run down, I'll just terminate the live stream, right? But if the camera battery lasts for an hour, I'll do the stream for 1 hour, right? So at 9:30 p.m., I'll terminate this live stream, right? But welcome again. Thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. You know, very, very happy, very, very grateful, right? So, you know, Naturaliss, I've been cooking from a young age, right? Been cooking from a young age, like at the age of about 10, 10, 11, right? Used to go on the farm, me and my cousins, right? When we come back from the farm, I used to take back like green plantain, green banana, yam, right? Coconut, sweet potato and stuff like that, and just started cooking, right? So nobody really taught me how to cook. I just have a love for cooking and just started cooking, right? Just have a love for cooking and started cooking, right? So you know that's about how I started cooking, right? So welcome again, Naturaliss 1,000 subscriber live stream and shout out, right? Without you, this wouldn't be possible, right? Wouldn't have made it to the 1,000 subscriber mark without you guys, right? So I'm very, very appreciative of the support, you know. So some persons have commented on my videos and I haven't responded to those comments as yet. Don't worry, I'll get around to them shortly, right? I'll always try to make it a point of duty to interact with comments on my videos, right? And check out other person's channel who have commented on my video, right? So don't worry, don't fret. Everything cool, everything opposite. Understand? Yeah, man. 1,000 subscriber live stream. Naturaliss Jamaican home cooking, right? And shout out. So big, big shout out to all my subscribers, right? Enough respect every time. Big shout out for joining. Big shout out for the support, the love, all the comments. I've been getting some very, very good reviews, and that is very lovely, very, very appreciated, Comments like those, support like that, keep it going, right? So, big shout out again to Ayers Tasty Kitchen. Big up yourself. Shout out to you, Oshin, big respect, big shout out, appreciate the support, right? Yeah, man. You understand? So the thing said, right? So I'm going to take a sec to get some rum punch, while I'm at it. Made some rum punch. So give me a second, let me just get some rum punch and sip in the meantime. Yeah, man. So, you know, I'm gone away. I'm here. Have some rum punch. Check out my rum punch video, right? Nice rum punch that I made. Just gonna pour some, take a sip in the meantime. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So just pour some rum punch in the glass, you know. Gonna take a sip in the meantime. Cheers. So welcome again, you know. Rum punch kind of put some punch, you know, in the vice. So welcome again to Naturaliss 1,000 subscriber live stream. You know, big up, big respect, right? Without you, this wouldn't be possible, right? So we have two persons in the live right now. If you want me to give you a shout out, just leave a comment in the comment section, in the chat section. Leave a comment, right? Let me know that you are here so that I can give you a shout out, right? So far, we have Air's Tasty Kitchen. Big respect to Air's Tasty Kitchen, right? Enough respect, appreciate the support. We have Oshin, big up Oshin, you know, enough respect, right? Thanks again for 1,000 subscribers. Without you, this wouldn't be possible, right? Many sleepless nights, you know, up editing videos, cooking, you know, a lot of sacrifices made, right? You know, but success come with sacrifice, right? So YouTube is not easy, it's not a walk in the park as many people may think, right? So if you see persons being successful on YouTube, takes a lot of work, right? It's not just about filming a video, putting it up on YouTube, and then yes, you become a major YouTuber. No, it's not like that. Nothing like that, right? Takes a lot of work, takes a lot of time, takes a lot of effort, takes consistency, right? And it takes endurance and perseverance, right? Yeah, man. So, welcome again. You know, if you're just joining, if you're just watching this video, right? Remember, if you're new to this channel, right? Coming here for the first time, watching this video for the first time, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend, friend, and then another friend. Yeah, man. So shout out to Air's Tasty Kitchen. Enough respect. Big up every time Air's Tasty Kitchen. And Oshin, you know, thank you for tuning in, Oshin. Appreciate the support, appreciate the love, you know, appreciate the love and support that you guys have been giving me over the years, right? You know, very appreciative, right? So, started cooking at an early age, right? Used to cook, you know, easy stuff, canned stuff at first, right? At first, I used to cook canned stuff mostly, white rice and like tin mackerel, right? White rice, canned beef, when I just started cooking, right? Until I could be able to cook those very well. Then I upgraded to like ackee and dumpling. Me and my friends we used to, you know, throw money together and just buy the flour at the shop, you know, group up, right? Group up and pick ackee off the tree and cook ackee and flour dumpling, you know. We would run competition and see who could eat the most dumpling, right? Sometimes I would eat like 10 dumpling at once. Sometimes my friend would eat 7, 8, because I used to love dumplings, right? So yeah, man. Welcome to Naturaliss 1000 subscriber live stream, right? Thank you again for the support. Thank you for the love. Without you, this wouldn't be possible, right? So I just want to give a shout out to all my subscribers. Enough respect, enough big up. Appreciate the support, appreciate the love, you know, appreciate the support, right? Shout out again to Air's Tasty Kitchen. Shout out to Oshin. Appreciate you taking the time out to join the live stream. Sip some more rum punch. Yeah, man. So, honestly, I wasn't really thinking about starting a cooking YouTube channel, right? It was in the back of my mind, but I really wasn't, it wasn't something that was really planned, you know. I have the camera gear, I have the editing skills and all of that, I have the cooking skill, and it just came to me. It just came to me. I said, why not just cook, film it, and upload it to YouTube? And I started doing just that, right? At first, when I just started uploading videos, I wasn't getting all that much views, wasn't getting all that much engagement, right? And that can be frustrating at first, but gradually views started picking up, you know, started putting in some time in the channel, right? Started sharing the content, sharing the videos to Facebook, to Instagram, share it to LinkedIn, share it to all social media platforms. I could share it on WhatsApp, you know. So welcome again to Naturaliss 1000 subscriber live stream and shout out. Enough respect to all my subscribers. I appreciate you. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. So I'm very grateful. I'm honored. I'm very thankful. I'm very happy that I am at 1000 subscribers. Right? Yeah, man. Welcome again. You're just joining the live stream. Welcome to Naturaliss 1000 subscriber live and shout out. Right? So if you want me to give you a shout out, I have 3 persons in the live right now. If you want me to give you a shout out, just type in the conversation section so that I can know that you are here and give you a shout out, right? So far we have Air's Tasty Kitchen. Enough respect to Air's Tasty Kitchen. Shout out to Oshin, big respect. Saw you congratulating me. Thank you for congratulating me on the 1000 subscriber live. Yeah, man. Right? So at times, you may feel discouraged doing YouTube, whereas if you're a small YouTuber, uploading your videos, not getting the views, not getting the hits. But YouTube is a full-time job, right? YouTube is not something that you just upload a video and you get millions of views, right? It will happen sometime, but not for the average YouTuber, right? So it's all about consistency. If you are a young YouTuber, consistency is the key, and interaction, right? Interact with other person's video, interact with my video, right? And you will grow. So tell a friend, to tell a friend and a friend and a friend and a friend, and then another friend, right? Welcome again to Naturaliss 1000 subscriber live stream. I have some rum punch here. I have a rum punch video. You can go and check that out. Sipping on some rum punch, giving thanks for the 1000 subscriber. Very, very grateful, very thankful for the 1000 subscriber. Didn't think I would make it to 1000 subscribers. It's a very long road, a lot of sleepless nights, editing and uploading, right? Engaging with other people's video, sharing and all of that. Right? Takes a lot of work, right? So thanks again for the 1000 subscriber. Really appreciate the support, appreciate the love, appreciate the support, right? So if you're in the live, if you're passing through and you want me to give your channel a shout out, leave a comment in the comment section, right? And I'll give you a shout out. Big respect to health as well, enough respect every time to health as well. You're just passing through the live, saying congrats, keep growing. Yeah, man. Big respect, man. Appreciate it. Health as well. Shout out to Health as well channel. Give him your support. Go over there and check out Health as well. You understand? Yeah, man. So we do a thing, man. Yes, so Health as well. Enough respect. Big up to Health as well. Thank you for the congratulations. Right? Yeah, man. Enough respect. So, Air's Tasty Kitchen. Shout out to Air's Tasty Kitchen. Right? Shout out to Oshin. Oshin saying congratulations for the 1000 subscriber. Big up. We have 3 persons in the live right now. If you want me to give you a shout out, type something in the chat section. Let me know that you are here. Remember to hit the thumbs up button as well. Right? Remember to hit the thumbs up button. Shout out again to Health as well. Big up. We are saying yes, consistency is the key and support others. Yeah, man. Real thing, man. Real thing. Mama's Food Pint. Shout out to Mama's Food Pint. Guys, I'm not sure if you can hear me. Right? You should be able to hear me, but I'm not sure because I wasn't able to test this mic. It's showing me that the mic is picking up, but I'm not sure if you guys can hear me clearly. But yeah, man, Mama's Food Pint. Big up. Enough respect. Shout out to Mama's Food Pint. Right? Yeah, man. Right? So, yes, consistency is the key. Consistency is the key. In anything at all that you do, consistency is the key. Right? So, don't give up. Be consistent. Stay connected. Right? Try to post at least once per week. right? Try to be genuine, right? Not just leave a comment, right? Because you want to leave a comment or because you want persons to check out your channel. Genuinely check out that person's video, comment, leave a genuine comment, right? A like, and you will grow, right? So big up again, shout out in the live, right? We have 3 persons in the live right now. Welcome again to Naturaliss 1000 subscriber live stream. Here sipping some rum punch. You can check out my rum punch video. Rum punch is still here. I haven't finished rum punch yet. Sipping on some rum punch. Cheers to you guys. Yeah man. Cheers to you guys, Big up. Really appreciate the support. Appreciate the love. Appreciate all the support. Right? Just came in from work earlier on. Get a shower, get something to eat, get myself ready for the live stream, right? So saying that to say this, with YouTube, consistency and dedication is the key, right? So if you want to grow, if you want to be a YouTuber and a successful YouTuber, you have to be consistent. You have to make sacrifices, right? Sometimes it even require you to sacrifice in a relationship. It may sound serious, but sometimes you have to sacrifice in a relationship in order to be successful whatever you do, right? So we have Jam Down Kitchen coming through in the live. Big up to Jam Down Kitchen. Enough respect. Welcome Jam Down Kitchen. Appreciate the support. Saying, hey chef, congrats. Yeah man. Thank you. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the support. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. I would probably stop posting YouTube video by now if you guys weren't here to support me, motivate me, right? With you guys showing me your support and your love, that motivate me to keep on cooking. I have a lot more recipes in store, right? I have a lot more recipes in store, right? Let me just take a second to type and respond to Jam Down Kitchen. Yeah, man. But, as I was saying before, welcome again. We have 3 persons in the live. Remember to click the thumbs up. Click the thumbs up button. I appreciate you guys taking the time out to be here, listening to me, right? I really, really appreciate it. Give a shout out again to Air's Tasty Kitchen, saying hi, right? Oshin, big up Oshin, saying congratulations, Big up Health is Wealth, saying congrats, keep growing, right? Yeah man, I will do that. Takes time, Big up again, Health is Wealth, right? We have Mama's Food Pint, saying congratulations. Thank you, Mama's Food Pint, and big shout out, right? You guys check each other's channel out, support each other. That is the key to YouTube success, right? Support each other and grow together. I firmly believe in supporting each other, right? We have Jam Down Kitchen as well, saying, hey chef, congrats, right? Saying thanks for the big up. Yeah man. So support each other. Go over there and check out Jam Down Kitchen. Check out Mama's Food Pint, right? Check out Health is Well channel. Check out Oshin, right? Go over there and check out Aya's Tasty Kitchen. Show your support. Show your love. You know. Remember to like, click the thumbs up button for this live stream if you like what is going on. You know. Yeah, man. So, Naturaliss Jamaican home cooking, right? 1,000 subscriber live stream. Up and running like a freak train, you know. 1,000 subscriber live stream and shout out. We have 2 persons in the live right now. We have other persons passing through. We don't have a problem with that because I know time is money. Right now I could be editing, doing some video editing. Right now I could be doing something else. I could be relaxing. Right, I could be watching some TV. Right, but I decided to sacrifice all of that in order to be here with you guys. Tell you how much I appreciate the support. Tell you how much I love and appreciate you. You know, you is why I am here now. Right, you made this possible. 1,000 subscriber. Right, you know, this is all for you. Maria Chi Nadik, not sure if I got the pronunciation right. Maria Chi Nadik, right? Shout out to Maria Chi Nadik, you know, saying congratulations. Thank you, Maria. Appreciate it. You know, go over there and check out Maria Chi Nadik coming through. You know, yeah, man. Support each other. This is one of the purpose of the live stream as well. You guys network, support each other. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend. And then another friend. Yeah, man. Welcome. We have 4 persons in the live. Live seem to be picking up. You know. Leave a comment. Leave a comment if you want me to shout out your channel, you know, right? Because we are here for each other. We are here to grow together. I strongly believe in growing together, helping each other, right? You have a whole Jamaican saying, say one hand can't clap, right? Look at this. Can't clap, you know. Takes 2, right? One hand can't clap. Only way the hand clap is if you tap it on your shoulder. So help each other, support each other, and grow together. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the like button, you know. AO City Redeems. Enough respect AO City Redeems. You know, my family right there coming through. You understand? Another friend. Yeah, man, big up AO City Redeem, man. You know. Jam Down Kitchen. Enough respect to Jam Down Kitchen. Big shout out, you know. LOL with a laughing face. Yes, tell a friend. Yeah, man. Don't know we have to put a little humor in the thing as well because you don't want the thing boring, right? So tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend. And then another friend. Yeah, man. You know, big up AO City Redeem, shout out, you know. Yeah, man, coming through the live, you know. Maria Chi Nadik, not sure if I got the pronunciation right with that one, but shout out to Maria Chi Nadik, you know. Big shout out again to Jam Down Kitchen, you know. Yeah, man. Big shout out to Maria's Food Pint. Shout out again to Health is Well. Right? Big shout out to Oshin. You know. No shout out to Aya's Tasty Kitchen. Yeah, man. So I am here on the live, you know. 1,000 subscriber live stream and shout out Naturaliss Jamaican home cooking. We have 3 persons in the live right now. If you're just joining and you want me to give you a shout out, leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to give you a shout out, right? And I will shout out your channel, right? So check out the guys in the comment section, support them, you know, network, right? Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend, friend, and then another friend. Right? We have 4 persons in the live right now. Remember to hit the like button, hit the thumbs up button. Right? Leave a comment if you want me to shout out the channel, because this video will be on my channel. So even when the live is finished, this video will be on my channel. So persons will be able to see it and will be able to see your channel and hear the comment, the shout out for your channel. So Mama's John's Kitchen. Welcome, Mama John's Kitchen. Big shout out. Appreciate the support. You know, appreciate the support and the thumbs up, Mama John's Kitchen. Shout out to you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining Mama John's Kitchen. You know, I am Naturaliss. You persons are here. I'm appreciative of you guys taking the time out of your busy schedule to pass through, you know, 1,000 subscriber. Never thought I would reach this point. A very, very long road. You know, I'm here doing a live stream with you guys, you know, drinking some rum punch, right? Sipping some rum punch, still have some rum punch. Didn't drink everything. Remember to check out the rum punch video. Check out my latest video, oven jerk pork, right? We have a lot of recipes in store, right? 4 persons in the live right now. Network with each other. Check out each other's channel. Tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend, and then another friend. Yeah, man. You don't know. You know. So we do it. Big up to AO City Redeems. Cooking anything today. No AO City, you know. Today, I normally upload on a Saturdays. You know, but today I just decided to do a live stream. Right? Not uploading any cooking video today. Welcome. If you're just joining, we have 5 persons in the live right now. Leave a comment in the comment section. You know, leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to give you a shout out. Right? Big respect to everybody who is here right now, tuning in. Right? AO City Redeems. Shout out to AO City Redeems. Shout out to Mama John's Kitchen. Right? Shout out to Jam Down Kitchen. Shout out to Maria Chi Nadek. Not sure if I got that pronunciation right, but big shout out, right? Big shout out to Mama's Food Pint, you know. Big up yourself. Health is wealth. Shout out to you. You know, you are here in the live as well. Shout out to Oshin, right? Shout out to Aya's Tasty Kitchen. Big respect to you guys, you know, appreciate it. Yeah, man, sipping on the rum punch, same way. Yeah, so welcome again, Naturaliss, 1,000 subscriber, you know. Hooray, you know, feel glad, feel happy, right? Didn't know I would reach this point, 1,000 subscriber on my cooking channel, right? Very, very thankful, very appreciative. You guys made this possible. So I'm taking the time out, you know, to shout you out, give you guys some shout out, show my respect, show my honor, you know, show my gratitude, right? 6 persons in the live right now, right? Some persons are just passing through. Leave a comment. Big respect to Dwayne Johnson, one of my good friend, you know, friend from birth, blood brother, you understand, right? Big respect to Dwayne Johnson. I appreciate the support, youth. You know, one of my best friend for life, no matter what. You understand? No matter what the circumstances might be, you know, Dwayne Johnson, one of my best friend, you know, blood brother. You understand? Until death. Big up you. Appreciate the support. Appreciate the love. You know, remember to hit the thumbs up button, right? If you just join in, welcome to Naturaliss 1000 subscriber live stream and shoutout, right? So leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to give you a shoutout, right? Jam Down Kitchen, Dwayne Johnson, my best friend, blood brother, you know, from birth, grew up together, right? Made moves together from day one, you understand? No matter what, youth, you're my brethren, you're my brother, you see me? Big up yourself. Nothing can change that, youth, you see me? Then, appreciate it. Saying congrats, Zane. Jam Down Kitchen, saying I'm proud of you, bro. Hard work pays off. Zane, yeah man, sure did, my friend. Yes, Jam Down Kitchen, you know, thank you, right? Hard work sure did pay off. AO City Rhythm, one of my cousins right there. So what's your favorite recipe, Zane? AO City, to tell you the honest truth, I'm not really a food person like that, you know. Not really a foodie. Right? Let me see what's going on here. I have a breaking transmission. Yes, I'm back. You know, sorry for the breaking transmission, guys. Camera battery died a while ago, so I had to replace it. Yeah, man. So if you just join in, welcome to Naturaliss 1000 subscriber live stream, right? Trust me, we have 5 persons in the live right now. I'm happy, feel like I've accomplished something, right? Let me say to you guys, YouTube is not a walk in the park. It's not just uploading videos, right? And you get a million subscribers and you start to make millions of dollars. No, don't get the wrong idea. YouTube is a full-time job. It takes consistency with YouTube. It takes time. It takes sacrifices. It takes patience, right? I've been doing this for years now. If you check the background on my channel, I've been doing YouTube for like probably about 10 years now, right? So YouTube takes time. Enough respect, big up for everybody who is here, everybody who support Naturaliss Jamaican home cooking. I appreciate you. I'm very thankful. I'm very grateful, right? AO City Rhythms, any tip for new YouTubers? Yes, AO City, right? New, if you're a new YouTuber, content is king, right? Try to put out good content. Try to be consistent, right? Try to engage with other YouTubers, right? Try to engage with other YouTubers' video, right? Try to like, leave honest comment, right? Subscribe to other YouTubers, right? And you will grow, right? Try to find a niche, something that you are good at. Don't get the idea that you are going to do YouTube because you want to make money. No, that is the wrong idea. If you are going to start a YouTube channel with the aim of just making money, you defeat the whole purpose, right? You have to love it. Whatever you are going to do, you have to love it. The love have to be there. Once the love is there, you will put out the effort, you will go the extra mile, right? Because right now, I came in from work about 6:30 this evening, got a shower, got something to eat, started preparing for the live stream, right? Haven't gotten any rest yet, haven't gotten any really relaxation yet, right? And here I am on the live stream from 8:30 p.m., right? And now it's 9:30 p.m. and my clock are 9:27, right? I was saying that I'm going to do the live stream for 1 hour, but I think I have enough energy to go a bit longer, right? Welcome again. Mama's Kitchen saying yes, some people they subscribe and after 2 days they unsub, right? Yes, that's true. That's true, Mama's Kitchen. Most people they don't subscribe because they want you to subscribe back and then after that they unsub. No, that's not nice, right? If you are going to if you are do YouTube, right, and you're going to subscribe to someone's channel just to unsubscribe, it's best not to subscribe any at all, right? So if you're going to subscribe to my channel with the intention to unsubscribe, if you're not doing it because you like my content or you're supporting my channel, I would rather you not to subscribe, right? Because I am here. If I subscribe to your channel, right, even though I have a busy schedule, I have a 9 to 5 job, right? Sometimes I honestly don't have the time to watch a video in full, but I always try to watch at least the first 5 minutes of the video, then leave a like and leave a comment, an honest comment, right? And try to genuinely support person's channel, right? Mama's Kitchen, enough respect again. Shout out to Mama's Kitchen. Shout out to Jam Down Kitchen. We have 6 persons in the live right now. Live is picking up slowly but surely. Leave a comment if you want me to shout out your channel, right? Just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out, right? Mama's Kitchen say, I don't want to do this always. I like and fully watch the video. Yes, Mama's Kitchen, right? That's the best thing to do. The best thing to do is to like and watch person's content, right? If you don't like the content, it's okay to click off. If you get bored of the content, it's okay to click off. But genuinely watch someone's video and give an honest review, give an honest comment, right? Because that will help to motivate the creator, that will help to motivate the content creator, and that will help to grow your channel as well. Because when persons read that comment and see that it's a genuine comment, they will want to interact with your channel, right? So welcome again to Naturaliss 1000 subscriber live stream, right? Yes, so big shout out to Mama John's Kitchen. Enough shout out to Mama John's Kitchen, right? Big shout out to Jam Down Kitchen. Shout out to AO City Rhythms. You know, enough respect family. Big up every time, right? Big shout out to my bro, my friend, my blood brother from birth, Dwayne Johnson, over there in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Hope you are being safe, my brother, from the COVID-19. Right? We have 5 persons in the live right now. Appreciate you guys taking the time out of your busy schedule, right, to tune in, be a part of this live. Remember to click the thumbs up button. Leave a comment in the comment section if you shout out your channel. Big shout out to Mama John's Kitchen. Big shout out to AO City Rhythm. Big shout out to Dwayne Johnson. Enough respect to Maria Chi Nadek, right? Big shout out again to Mama's Food Pint, right? Shout out to Health is Wealth, right? Big shout out to Oshin. Shout out to Aya's Tasty Kitchen, right? Yeah, man. You know, sipping on the rum punch. Take a sip. Ah, we have 6 persons in the live right now. Welcome, right? Leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to give you a shout out, right? Mama John's Kitchen is saying a lot of people unsubscribe me after 2 days, but I still watch their channel and like their video. Mama John's Kitchen, you are genuine. You know, that is the right thing to do. Persons unsubscribe my channel as well, but I still watch their videos. I still comment on their videos as well when I get the chance. The reason why I still do that is because when you engage with other person's video, right, you have persons out there who will be watching that video. So when they see that you are genuine and you are supportive, they will in turn come to check out your channel, and they will in turn like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. So always try to be genuine, Mama John's Kitchen, right? Jam Down Kitchen saying, yes, I have to play the bigger person. Yeah, man. I have to play the bigger person, yes, Jam Down Kitchen, right? Once you are genuine, my brother, you know, once you are genuine, you know, people will appreciate you for being you. I am me, right? I'm a very skinny person, very skinny black boy, skinny bony black boy, you know, right? Buff teeth, black boy, right? So I am me. This is me. What you see is what you get. I don't try to pretend, right? So if I like your video, leave a comment, and if I subscribe to your channel, I'm not going to unsubscribe. Even if you unsubscribe my channel, I'll still show my support when I can, right? So we have to play the bigger person as well. Jam Down Kitchen saying, yes, the favor will be returned. Yeah, man, I always try to return the favor, you know, because I believe in growing together. And as I said before, unity is strength, right? Unity is strength. United we stand, divided we fall. So once we united together, we will make it, right? We will make it with unity, right? One hand can't clap. No matter how you try to clap, you can't clap with one hand. You have to clap with 2 hands, right? So we have 6 persons in the live right now. I have my glass of rum punch. Check out the rum punch video. Check out my latest video, oven jerk pork, right? I'm not a certified chef. Let me get that clear. I'm not a certified chef. I've been cooking from the age of about 10 years old, right? I have a friend in the live right now who can testify to that. Dwayne Johnson. We grew up together, right? Cook a lot of pot together. So he can testify to that, right? Cooking from a young age. I just love cooking, right? And I am a do-it-yourselfer. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that term. I'm a do-it-yourselfer, right? So once I set my mind to something, No matter what, I will find out a way how to do it, right? So we have, so there you go. Dwayne Johnson is saying, yep, so it's true, been cooking for a long time now, right? A lot of trial and error, right? Mama's kitchen after 15 minutes. My prayer time is if I leave and do pray, no problem. Yeah, man, no problem, no problem. Mama John's kitchen, you know. It's always good to give thanks and praise to the Almighty. Always good to give thanks and praise to the Almighty, right? Give thanks and praise to the Almighty Father every time. Without you, this wouldn't be possible, right? So we have to give thanks for life. We have the COVID-19 out there right now, pandemic, which is wreaking havoc on the world. The United States right now is overwhelmed by the COVID-19, right? So we have to give thanks, we have to pray, right? You don't have to pray in the morning when you wake up. You don't have to pray when you are going to your bed. Sometimes if you are out riding your bike and you remember that, I didn't pray this morning, you ride your bike and you don't have to close your eyes. You just say a little prayer, thank you God for keeping me alive. Thank you for health, thank you for strength. Give me the courage to move on, right? So, yeah, man, I strongly believe in, higher being, greater power, right? Jam Down Kitchen, Naturaliss, we have to do a collaboration in the summer. Yeah, man, no problem, Jam Down Kitchen. No problem, Jam Down Kitchen. Whenever you're ready, if the time permit, we can make it happen. No problem, right? No problem. I'm up for it. Yeah, man, no problem, Jam Down Kitchen. I'm up for it. Just name the time and place, right? Just name it and we'll make it possible, man. I'm up for it, right? So we have 5 persons in the live right now. The live is picking up. We have persons passing through, taking a peep, and then move on again. I have no problem with that because, as I said before, time is money, and I appreciate you guys who pass through and move on. Appreciate who is here tuning into the live right now, right? I do appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule, to be here with me, right? I do appreciate it. You understand? Do appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Appreciate the love. AO City is saying a collab would be a great Jam Down Kitchen. Yeah, man. Yes, AO City. Definitely, Definitely. Definitely a collab would be great. I'm up for a collab, right? So, whosoever want to do a collab with Naturaliss Jamaican home cooking, just name it and we'll make it happen, right? We have Mama John's Kitchen is saying, thank you so much, everyone. I do pray for all of you wonderful people with some high five going on. Thanks for the prayer, Mama John's Kitchen. Do appreciate you praying for me, right? And I know that the Almighty will cover me under His blood, right? So thank you, Mama John's Kitchen, for the lovely prayer, right? I just want to say welcome again to Naturaliss 1000 subscriber live stream, right? I'm very grateful, very thankful for your support, for your love, right? You guys made this possible. I'm not doing this for myself. I'm not doing this for money, right? Because I have a 9 to 5 job. So I'm not doing this for the money. I'm not doing this for the fame or the fortune. I'm just doing this because I have the skill to cook, right? So I decided to set up a cooking channel to show persons what I know who would be interested in learning what I can teach, right? So I'm very appreciative, very thankful, you know. Big shout out again to Jam Down Kitchen. Big shout out to Mama Jam's Kitchen. Enough respect to AO City Rhythms. You know, big up yourself, youth, right? Shout out to Dwayne Johnson, right? Shout out again to Maria Cheese Nadek. Not sure if I pronounce Maria Cheese Nadek right, you know, but I'm trying. Shout out to Maria Cheese Nadek, right? Shout out to Mama's Food Pint. Enough respect. It is wealth. Shout out, right? Shout out to Oshin, you know. Shout out to AL's TSC Kitchen, right? You guys remember to support each other. Like, check out each other's channel, leave a comment, watch the videos, right? You know, as united we stand and divided we fall. Try to remember that, right? So, yeah, man. Sipping on some rum punch again. Right, so we have 4 persons in the live, right? Honesty is the best policy. So it was on the topic of persons subscribing and then within 2 days they unsubscribe, right? Just be the bigger person, as Jam Down Kitchen said before. Be the bigger person. Even if persons unsubscribe to your channel, you don't have to unsubscribe to their channel. Just support them just the same. When persons realize that you are genuine and you are not just in it for sub or like for like, you know, they will in turn, you know, show their support, right? So I have a lot of persons when I finish this live right now. I have a 8:45 on my clock. So when I finish this live stream, I have work in the morning as well. Right, I work in the morning, and when I finish this live stream, I'm going to respond to some of the comments on my videos, right, and network with persons on my channel. So I'm not going to bed till probably about 12 a.m. Right. So if for some reason I haven't responded to your comment as yet, bear with me. Be patient. I'll get to your comment soon because I have a busy schedule. I have a 9 to 5 job, right? So I have to try to balance my time, right? To cook, to edit, because I edit all my videos. I produce all my videos all by myself, right? I film and I edit all my videos. I do everything all by myself. I don't have a video production team. I do everything all by myself. So enough respect again. We have 4 persons in the live, you know. Jam Down Kitchen saying you need some rest, bro. Well, you can see it in my eyes. I do need rest, but as I said before, you know, you have to make sacrifices. If it's something that you need, success comes with sacrifice, right? Have to make sacrifices if you want success. Have to give up something. So right now I'm giving up my relaxation time and I'm giving up my rest. You know, Jam Down Kitchen is saying, yes, so true. Right? Yeah, man, definitely. Definitely Jam Down Kitchen. So true. You know, you have to give up something in life. That is what I learned, right? Because I'm a entrepreneur, right? You have to give up something in life in order to be successful. Either you have to sacrifice a relationship, Either you have to sacrifice friendship, either you have to sacrifice friendship, either you have to give up your relationship. But something have to give you. You have to give up your rest. You have to give up your party time, because I don't party a lot. I don't have time for parties. Sometimes I don't even have time to hang out because I'm always busy. Always busy editing, always busy trying to build myself and build my channel. So, Dwayne Johnson is saying, keep up the good work. I out, good night. Yes, my friend. For passing through, real brethren right there, grew up together, blood brother. I can remember when we were young growing up, we cut each other, right? And, you know, he sucked my blood. it may sound silly, but when we were young, probably about 5, 6 years old, he might not remember, but I remember perfectly well. At some point in time, we cut ourselves, right? And we say we want to be blood brother. So I cut myself, him cut himself, and we join our fingers together, right? And say we are blood brothers and we are friends until this day. We are friends just the same. So respect my good friend over there in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Protect yourself from the COVID-19. Dwayne Johnson, big up. Enough respect. Thank you for the support. Thank you for passing through. AO City, Redeems. My cousin is saying, respect Jam Down Kitchen. A blessed night, AO. Yeah, man. So, AO City, Redeem saying, bless up yourself, Naturaliss. Take your time to relax, rejuvenate. Rate your hard work and commitment. Yeah, man. Respect every time, Respect every time, and I appreciate you guys for passing through, right? So I just want to take the time out again, Naturaliss 1,000 subscriber live stream, right? And shout out, right? Just want to say big shout out again before I close this live stream. Just want to go through again and say a big shout out to Jam Down Kitchen. Big shout out to AO City Redeems, right? Big shout out to my best friend over there, Dwayne Johnson, Big shout out to Mama John's Kitchen, right? Very lovely lady right there. True soul, genuine, Mama John's Kitchen. Big shout out, right? Big shout out again, to Health is Wealth, right? Enough respect and shout out to Maria Chi Nadek, right? Big shout out to Mama's Food Pint, Big shout out to Oshin. Big shout out to Aya's Tasty Kitchen, right? Yeah, man. So, support each other. Check out their channel, like, share, comment, and subscribe to their channel. Show your support. Remember, unity is strength, right? One hand can clap, right? United we stand and divided we fall. So if you want to grow on YouTube, right, support each other. Continue to support my channel, right? I appreciate you. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend, friend, friend. Friend for friend, friend, friend. And then another friend. Yeah, man. You don't know. Naturaliss. Big up. Respect. Massive thanks for the 1,000 subscriber. New target right now is 2,000 subscriber. So I'm trying to reach 2,000 subscriber now, and I'm trying to reach 4,000 hours of watch time in order to get the channel monetized. Right? So watch the videos, them out, watch them in full, so that I can reach the 4,000 hours of watch time, right? Continue to support my channel. We have 4 persons in the live right now. We have 1 hour, 20 minutes, 42 seconds in the live. Remember to click the live button, right? Esther Bible verse saying hi. Hi, Esther Bible verse. Thanks for joining at the last moment, right? Thanks for joining. Appreciate you, right? Saying God bless you. Yeah, man. God bless you too, Esther Bible verse. You know, appreciate your support. Appreciate your love, right? God bless you too. Stay safe. You know, we have a lot of crazy things going on in the world right now. We have a lot of division. We have a lot of racism going on, right? We have a lot of killings. We have the pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic. So right now, if I don't know any better, I would say these are signs. You know, so we have to just read the signs, right? One love, right? One love, one heart, right? Enough respect to everybody, right? Regardless of your color, regardless of your race, regardless of your background, right? I don't see no color, right? I just see people for who they are, right? No racism, right? No racism around here. So appreciate you guys, appreciate the love, appreciate the support, right? 1,000 subscriber, right? So thank you. Appreciate the love, appreciate the support. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend, 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 and then another friend. Alright? Yeah, man. Good night. You know, I'm out. Right? See you again on the next live stream. Right? So, big up. Boom.